What's popping, y'all? It's your girl Jayla, and today I'm here with a random review video. I am not sponsored by this company. It's just random, and it's just something that I want to do. So recently I signed up on a website called Nadine West, and I hope I'm pronouncing it right. It's a site where you can get clothes at your doorstep either every 2 weeks or every month. And it is a subscription. I just thought I would try it out just to see what type of options I would get and to see, you know, if I actually like them or not. And it took about 3 to 4 days for my shipment to actually get here. Before you get sent the clothes, what they will have you do is they will have you do a style quiz. You get to pick out like your style, you know, whether you like trendy, whether you like edgy, vintage, and they give you all type of options. I picked my options, and my options were trendy and like new style, up-to-date type of stuff, cute, girly stuff. And they are supposed to match what they think goes with your taste and what you like. So when I received my package, I received it in the pink little package like this, and I just think it's so cute. The first thing I received these earrings, and I have them on right now. They're like cheetah print print on them. When I received the jewelry, it came in this pink little bag, you know, cute, girly stuff, you know. Received these pair of earrings and 2 bracelets. The bracelets that I received is this little bracelet. It comes in a crystal ball. It's like a little dangle bracelet. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, and then I received this bracelet right here. It's like a bangle, and me personally, I'm not too big on jewelry. I don't really care for jewelry. You would never really ever catch me wearing jewelry, but I just decided to try it out just to see you know, what type of things they would send me. I was curious. This is a bangle. It kind of has silver and glitter going around the bangle, you know, it's cute or whatever. Alright, now let's get into these clothes. Okay, so I received 1 skirt, 1 pair of leggings, and 2 shirts. Okay, so first I'm gonna show y'all this skirt that they sent me. I hope y'all were able to see the skirt. And it came with this little tag on it. It says Active USA. I don't know what that's supposed to mean, but Active USA. And this is a size large they sent me, which is wrong because I selected a size medium for my skirts, for my shirts, and for my leggings. So that was wrong. Second of all, I know damn well they did not think that I would put on this. I'm sorry, but this, you know, this may be cute to some people. You know, you could definitely rock it and you know, put it with something and put it together with something, but this right here is just not for me. When I look at this skirt, I think of like a Catholic school girl or like a old Amish lady. Like, and it's no disrespect to the Catholic schoolgirls or Amish women out there, but this may be for y'all, but you know, this just it ain't for me. Next. Okay, so I received this basic shirt. And you know what I just noticed? Their slogan says happiness in a pink package. Well, to be quite honest and to be quite blunt, that is the total opposite of how I felt when I opened up these clothes and opened up everything. I was not pleased. I mean, this shirt is okay. It's something that I would definitely wear, but this is not something that I will go out of my way to necessarily purchase. And I mean, this is a size small. I said a medium. Now, no doubt, I could definitely fit this shirt, and it looks like I definitely could wear this shirt. So, you sent me a large, then you sent me a small when I requested a medium. Next. Alright, y'all, this next shirt. Here's another shirt. Basic. First, you know, I will wear this shirt. This is one of them shirts where you just wearing and you chilling and, you know, you just relaxing in the house, or casual day, casual dates, whatever. And this is a size medium, so they did get that one right. They got this shirt right. This is a size medium. But again, you know, look at it. This is not something that I would go out of my way to purchase. This is just a shirt. Like, this is not nothing that, even if I was to see this shirt at the store in person, this is nothing that I will go out of my way for. The material of these items that I'm presenting to y'all is very cheap. And it's just not quality. I spend my money monthly. I would want it to be something that I will enjoy to have on my body, not something that I'm unsatisfied with. And I had tried these on, y'all, so because this is kind of the thing that I kind of actually was okay with. These are some gray, regular old gray basic leggings. Nothing spectacular, nothing special. And they're also very cheap. Hey, these things that I received from Nadine West, I appreciate it, but I'm just not satisfied with any of these things. The only thing that I will honestly probably keep are these earrings that I have in my ears, because that's it. Other than that, I'm not really satisfied with any of this. So they give you a return label just in case you want to ship the stuff back, so that they won't charge your debit or credit card. So I will be shipping these things back tomorrow, so they will not charge my credit card at all. And also, I received a piece of paper and I don't have it, but with every shipment that they ship out, they give you a piece of paper and they give you the price of each item that they place into your package, so that you are aware, if you want to keep something, how much you will be charged. And I wish I had that paper. I don't have it. I don't know where it went. I probably tossed it, because I'm like, I'm not keeping none of this, you know. But yeah, so that's it. Thank you guys for watching my review about Nadine West. And if you guys want to shop there, if you guys are curious about it, I'll have the link in my description box. Follow me on IG, y'all. Follow my IG. No, Jayla Shay. Follow my Twitter. It's Jayla Shay. Follow me on Snapchat, Jayla Rivera. And like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.